Today we will be working on the letter pattern OLD. I'm Mrs. Hodell and I'm the County Dyslexia Advisor. You'll need something to write with, so if you don't have anything, pause the video and go ahead and grab it. Today we are going to learn about OLD. The letters OLD are used to represent the sound old. Now you say the sound. What sound does OLD make? Did you say old? If you did, great. If not, say it now. Old. Let's try writing it. Can you write the letters we used to represent old? Did you write OLD? If you did, great. If not, pause the video and try again. Let's practice that. Write OLD and say the sound it makes 3 times. While you write OLD, say, OLD says old. Pause the video while you write it. Now let's read some words that use this sound. Read the word on the screen. Did you say bold? This word is bold. B-old, bold. Let's try another. Did you say told? This word is told. T-old, told. How about this one? Did you say mold? This word is mold. Old, mold. Last one. Did you say scold? This word is scold. Sk, old, scold. Now let's try writing some words with our new sound. I will read 3 words. You write them down as well as you can. Don't forget to tap the sounds. Pause while you write each word. The first word is sold. Old, sold. The second sound is gold. Old, gold. And the last word is fold. Old, fold. Did you spell them correctly? The first word is sold. Old. S-O-L-D. Sold. The second word is gold. Old. G-O-L-D. Gold. And the last word is fold. Old. F-O-L-D. Fold. Let's see if you can think of some words that use the sound old. Pause the video while you think. Did you think of old, golden, told, fold, and bold? It's okay if you thought of others. There are quite a few to choose from. Thanks for working with me today. Ask your teacher if you have any questions, and don't forget to practice this week.